Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, we need to make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then we can open the Play Store. You need to be You need to be logged into your Google account. You can do it right after entering the Play Store or using the settings. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now let's tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here, let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the list of all apps that we can update. And now basically it depends what you'd like to do. You can either tap on Update All and download all of them, and your device will update all of those apps, or you can simply choose specific one from the list, for example this one, and tap on Update, and now your device will download it, and after that the update will be installed and the app will be updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.